If you think full-size luxury SUVs have already reached their peak, this one might quietly prove you wrong. The next generation Volvo XC100 isn't trying to outshine the competition with noise or flash. Instead, it's stepping into a space dominated by the Escalade and Range Rover with a very different mindset. Calm confidence, intelligent design, and a focus on how people actually use these vehicles every day. Welcome back to Daily Revline. Today we're looking at a luxury SUV that doesn't try to impress you instantly. It earns your attention the longer you spend with it. Let's start with the exterior, because this is where the XC100 sets its tone immediately. It's bold, but not in an aggressive or overstyled way. The front grille is large, yes, but it feels integrated rather than forced. There's a sense of proportion here that a lot of SUVs miss when they chase presence. Those signature Thor's Hammer LED headlights are slimmer and sharper now, giving the front a more focused, almost technical expression. What stands out is how clean everything looks. The body lines are simple, but not basic. There's a subtle tension in the design that makes the SUV feel modern without relying on unnecessary cuts or fake vents. Even the lower bumper detailing, with its layered intakes and gloss black elements, adds character without becoming distracting. From the side, the XC100 really shows its size. Long wheelbase, wide stance, and a roofline that stays practical, instead of sloping aggressively just for style. This is clearly built to carry people comfortably, not just look good in photos. The large multi-spoke alloy wheels, finished in black, add a bit of sportiness, but again, it's controlled. Nothing feels overdone. Around the back, the vertical LED taillights continue that classic Volvo identity, but with a more refined and modern execution. The rear is clean, almost minimal, which actually works in its favor. It feels premium without trying too hard. Now step inside, and this is where things shift from impressive to genuinely thoughtful. Volvo interiors have always been about simplicity and comfort, and the XC100 takes that philosophy further. The deep red quilted leather immediately gives the cabin a rich, inviting feel. It's bold but still elegant. Not something you'll get tired of quickly. The seats look incredibly supportive, with wide cushions and detailed stitching that suggest long-distance comfort rather than just showroom appeal. This feels like a place you could spend hours in without fatigue. The dashboard design is classic. Volvo, clean, horizontal, and uncluttered. A large central touchscreen takes center stage, but it doesn't dominate the space in an overwhelming way. It feels integrated into the design rather than just placed there. The interface is likely to be smooth and intuitive, focusing on usability instead of flashy animations. Behind the steering wheel, you get a fully digital instrument cluster that's crisp and easy to read. Everything is angled slightly toward the driver, which makes a subtle but important difference. It feels like the car is designed around you, not just for you. Materials throughout the cabin are exactly what you'd expect at this level. Soft touch surfaces, real wood accents, metal finishes that feel solid rather than decorative. There's a consistency here that builds trust. Nothing feels cheap or out of place. Space is where the XC100 starts to seriously challenge the segment leaders. The second row offers generous legroom and headroom, easily accommodating adults. The seats look just as comfortable as the front, which isn't always the case in this class. The third row is actually usable, not just a backup option for short trips. Adults can sit there without feeling cramped, which is a big deal in a luxury SUV. And with features like dedicated climate controls, charging ports, and possibly rear entertainment screens, passengers in every row are treated equally. Cargo space will likely be another strong point. With all seats up, you still get decent storage. And with the third row folded, it becomes seriously practical for long trips or daily use. Now let's talk about performance, because this is where Volvo is taking a slightly different approach compared to its rivals. Instead of focusing on massive engines and loud performance numbers, the XC100 is expected to lean heavily into hybrid and fully electric powertrains. That means instant torque, smooth acceleration, and a near-silent driving experience. It's a different kind of luxury, one that feels more refined and less aggressive. You're not trying to dominate the road, you're just moving through it effortlessly. The ride quality is expected to be one of its strongest points. Adaptive suspension, Well-tuned damping and a focus on comfort will likely make this one of the most relaxing SUVs to drive or be driven in. It's not about sharp cornering or sporty dynamics. It's about balance and control. Handling should still feel stable and confident, especially at highway speeds. The wide stance and low center of gravity, particularly in electric versions, will help keep things composed. Safety, of course, is where Volvo continues to lead. Expect the XC100 to come loaded with advanced driver assistance systems, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision avoidance, and possibly next-generation semi-autonomous driving features. But what makes Volvo different is how these systems are implemented. They're there to support you, not overwhelm you. Alerts are subtle, interventions are smooth, and everything feels designed to reduce stress rather than add to it. Technology inside the XC100 follows the same philosophy. You get what you need, where you need it. The infotainment system will likely support seamless smartphone integration, voice controls, and over-the-air updates. But it won't bombard you with unnecessary features just to fill a spec sheet. Even the ambient lighting and sound system are expected to focus on creating a calm, premium environment rather than a flashy one. So where does this leave the XC100 in the luxury SUV world? It's not trying to outsize the Escalade or out-heritage the Range Rover. Instead, it's offering a different perspective on what luxury should feel like. Less noise, more clarity, less show, more substance. It's a vehicle for people who appreciate design, comfort, and technology that actually improves their daily experience. Not just something that looks good in a driveway. And honestly, that might be exactly what the segment needs right now. Because while others compete on size, power, and presence, the XC100 is quietly focusing on something more important: how it feels to live with. This is Daily Revline. If you appreciate real, honest car reviews without the unnecessary hype, you're in the right place. Let me know what you think. Would you choose this over an Escalade or Range Rover? Or does tradition still win for you?